Our equation is x root of 9 is equal to 243. And we need to find the value of x. Okay, to find x, first, we need to write this in index form or power form. So we need to write down the x root of 9 in power or exponential form. For example, if I have the cube root of 8, I can write it as an exponent, or I can write it in power form like this. Cube root of 8 in power form will be 8 to the power of 1/3. So that is what we need to do with this, the x root of 9. So what do you think the x root of 9 is going to be in exponential form or power form? The x root of 9 is equal to 9 to the power of 1 over x. So our equation is now 9 to the power of 1 over x is equal to 243. Next, we need to write down the 9 and the 243 in power form again, right? So that is what we need to do. We need to write down the 9 and the 243 in power form or index form. And what is 9 in power or exponential form? 9 is the same as 3 to the power of 2. So I'm going to put that in brackets times to the power of 1 over x. Wow. Is equal to 243. Can 243 be written in power form? Can we do that? I think we can. 243 is the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Yes. So if you multiply 3 5 times, you will see that it's equal to 243. Therefore, 243 in exponential form or power form is 3 to the power of 5. Next, let's get rid of these brackets that we have. And when we do that, we're going to have 3 to the power of 2 times 1 over x, which is 2 over x, is equal to 3 to the power of 5. Okay, now we can see that our equation has the base 3 on both sides. Right. So if the bases are equal on both sides, then the powers will also be equal. And so we can use that to find x. So since the bases are now the same on both sides, the powers will be equal. And so we can say 2 over x which is the power on the left side, is equal to 5, which is the power on the right side. And to find x, we now need to solve this equation. We now just need to solve this equation. And we can do that by multiplying both sides by x, because when we do that, that will get rid of the x, this x in the denominator. So if we say times x, this side times x, this x and this x will cancel, and our equation will be 2 is equal to 5x. And to find x, we can divide both sides by 5. And that'll give us x is equal to 5 over 2. And there we have our value of x.